guys, this is Ethan Out Loud, and today and when I say we, I mean me, my mom, and dad, we have built the most best fun paper planes in the world right here. And I'm gonna test them out one at a time. Okay, we have 3. And I'm gonna do mine last because I think it's gonna win. Okay, so the challenge is I'm gonna stand behind this table and try and aim for that door. Okay, so let's start off with my mom's. This is my mom's airplane. Fancy, right? You know that upside, and then it's all like has 2 of each of these things, and then it has that. Okay, now let me throw. Let's see how far it goes. Ooh, that's at the carpet. Now it's Dad's. My dad built this. I think it's gonna lose. Okay, let's go. Cause this is not straight, but here's a montage. Okay. Wrong. Maybe, so I threw Mom's fast. Maybe this one's a little slow one. Ooh, that kind of went far. And now, Ethan Out Loud's the best airplane. Let's see if it hits the door. So here's another montage. Has little flaps. Has all this. I'm excited. Ready? Let's do this. Okay, so this is my dad's, this is me, this is Mom. Mom's, I think, is also gonna win. Wow, mine